Hello, welcome to Best Budget Info. In this episode, I will show you the 4 best mirror dashcams in 2022. Let's see what we have in this episode go together. On number 1 we have CARCHET T12 Mirror Dashcam. CARCHET T12 Mirror Dash Webcam is outfitted with a 2.5 Kelvin high-def front mirror cam and also 1080p backup rearview mirror camera. High-def video eliminates the limitations of common rearview mirrors as well as gives you with even more clear details, which is the warmest present for family and friends. The 12 IPS mirror display and the front 170 deg and also rear 160 deg field of vision have a larger and also more clear field of view than conventional rearview mirror cameras, in addition to decrease visual unseen areas. The sensitive full-touch mirror camera display makes the operation easier. The parking overview helps you to park safely. You can adjust the angle of the mirror dash webcam when parking to eliminate dead spots as well as observe the surrounding scenario. After that, parking surveillance aids you to clearly videotape every little thing that occurred after you left the vehicle. Loophole recording function. After your storage space card is complete, the first video will be deleted to accommodate the latest video clip. You can additionally secure the video you require from being erased. The delicate G sensor will aid you lock the crash video in the event of an unintended crash. On number 2 we have Autovox V5 Pro. V5 Professional uses the full laminated display to ensure a crystal image without glare also under the extreme sunlight. The IMX307 sensor aid to restrain the high beam lights to stay clear of a spectacular situation. A good efficiency for driving security at day and night. The Stream Media modern technology transfers a complete 1080p video without delay, taping the license plate and all crashes plainly. 9.35 inches complete screen enhances about 4 times better line of vision than a conventional rearview mirror. Boost your driving experience. "150 degrees checkout angle rear camera ensures you a more than sufficient view of what's behind your vehicle. Eliminate all blind spots to making car parking much easier. V5 PRO can replace your initial mirror completely with no damage. Bring you a spick and span vehicle setting. No worry about the challenging circuitry to distress you." On number 3 we have Rexang M2 front as well as rear mirror dashcam. Records twin 1080p video clip with recording from 2 separate point of views at the same time by attaching the full HD back camera to the front camera. The camera assists you check your vehicle blind spots, making use of innovative radar sensors that can additionally assist you alter lanes by notifying you when it is risk-free, using lane modification assist attributes. M2 also has integrated GPS logger, enables you to mark time, day, place, and also speed information to your recordings. Stream video footage on a 12 broader online stream back view mirror, which displays much more traffic details in real time and at a wider angle. Easily view outside the back of your automobile whatsoever times. This dual channel cam creates no blind spots while driving or supporting. Backup webcams are an essential device for safeguarding and operating your car, truck or taxi. Video can be videotaped in 1, 2 or 3 minute periods, when the storage space restriction is reached on the flash memory card. Our loophole tape recording instantly overwrites the unlocked oldest recordings. Gravity sensor finds impact while driving and secures the video for disputes. On number 4 we have Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam. Equipped with 1296p front camera and also 1080p back cam. It can display clear real-time roadway conditions on the 11.66 touchscreen. The item has a broad angle of 160 deg for the front lens and also 150 deg for the back lens to lower unseen areas. The first integrated circuitry harness style. Bid farewell to messy cords as well as drive much safer. The rear lens as well as general practitioner of the Wolfbox rear view mirror dash webcam are straight linked to the integrated cable on the host. The current and signal transmission is extra secure, and the interior design is extra lovely and sensible. With Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, enhanced night vision capacities can provide clear evening video clip. The car park help as well as accident lock features will efficiently secure your auto. As well as the car parking monitoring feature can keep an eye on 24-hour a day. This dashcam has even more special features. LDWS back cam picture can be displayed upside down. Rear cam image mirror display button, change brightness automatically, manually. So these are some of the best mirror dash cams. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.